Hi, welcome to another of our physiotherapy educational series. Today we will be sharing with you what you can do after an ankle sprain. A sprained ankle is a very common injury. It can happen to anyone at any age.
The ankle joint is made up of 4 bones which are held together by ligaments. Ligaments protect the ankle joints from over-twisting and turning. An ankle sprain occurs when the ligaments are overstretched. An ankle sprain occurs commonly in sports, but can also occur in daily activities such as walking. The amount of pain and swelling depends on the severity of the ligament tear. When you have an ankle sprain, remember the R.I.C.E principle, R.I.C.E. R is for rest. It is important to rest the ankle to reduce pain and prevent further damage. Use a walking aid if it hurts to stand on your foot to offload the ankle joint. I is for ice. Apply an ice pack immediately following injuries for 15 minutes. Repeat this every 2 hours. C is for compression. Applying ice and compression can ease the pain, reduce the swelling, muscle spasm, and bruising. E is for elevation. Raising your ankle to or above the level of your heart will help prevent the swelling from getting worse and reduce bruising. Try to keep your ankle elevated for 2 to 3 hours a day if possible. Simple exercises such as ankle palms and gentle calf stretches with a towel can be started when the swelling and pain has subsided. These exercises have to be progressed by a physiotherapist to help you return to work and sports. An untreated ankle sprain may lead to weakness in the ankle, resulting in recurrent ankle sprains.
If you have unresolved pain or swelling, please contact your doctor or physiotherapist for a review of your condition. We have come to the end of our physiotherapy educational series on ankle sprain. I hope you have a better understanding of how to treat an ankle sprain. Thank you for watching.